Hi guys, I will show you guys how to make pre-thumbnails. Most everyone knows everybody is trying to make a thumbnails, okay? So I will show you how to do it. I just learned this today and I feel like I would love to share it to everyone trying and find some way of free thumbnails. That's what I did. I'm looking for a free thumbnail and I saw this in one of the videos and I try it just right now and I feel like I like it and I would like to share this to everyone. And here we're in the Pixlr website. I really like it because you don't have to download. You can download if you want to, but if you don't want, you don't have to download. You can use it online, okay? So we're here on the website. Then what we can do, let's see, scroll down what's in here. Like I said, I'm still exploring. So you just go ahead and explore, okay? I haven't explored all of this, but as what I can see is really helpful and seems like very easy to use. Okay, so here there is launch with apps. So here, if you click those, is hi there. There is a note here. Hi there. We're quiet. Sure, you have a Plus player installed on your computer, so no worries. Just click anywhere on the page, and prompt will appear for you to enable Flash. If you have not downloaded Flash, you can click here to get it installed. So if you don't have a Flash player yet, just go ahead and click that one and we'll install. Okay. So, but I'm not going to install anything there. So what I want to do, that's what I did earlier. I'm trying. So let's say go back there. So I'm just gonna go back there. So like I said, I haven't explored everything here. It's just I just feel like I want to share this for everyone. So you don't need to download. Just click this free picture editor. Okay. So you went to the website. I will put the link of this website for easy for you guys. So just click that link and there you go. Okay. Once you click that link, will bring you to this page. Okay. So what I did, I just click free picture editor. Then here's the option here. Download it's free. Okay. Then if you don't have account yet, there is option here. It said online. So since I am logged in, it said new file instead online. So since I log in already, I log in using my Facebook. Is very easy, guys. Okay. So I'm going to make a new file. Okay. I just go ahead, click that, and we'll bring to this empty and blank page. Okay. So if you have already a background download on your computer, is just go ahead, click upload image. So I have her on my computer. It's a spiral, but if you don't have yet, you can Google it. You can just, that's what I did that earlier. So you can Google some let's say blue background. So when there is so many blue background here, you can pick which one you prefer, which one you want. Okay, so let's go pick anything here. Example, you want this or I want this. So I just go ahead, save image as. Okay, then I will go ahead, save that, and I'm going back there. Where is that? Oopsie. Let's go close some of that. That's so much. Okay, so I'm going to upload the image, the one I just searched on Google. I just click that, double click, and will come and show right here. Okay, so this image is you can just drag up and down, circle around, whatever you prefer, which one you want to show. Okay, so I would like to show this area, so that's my background. Now if you don't have, if you have already for this the second layer uploaded, like example your pictures or any smiley face there, whatever you want. Example, I'm gonna download my pictures here and I want that to the second layer. Okay, so I just go ahead, you can adjust that the size you want. Okay, and you can drag that everywhere you want that to be. Okay, so you can drag that here, there, or the circle, wherever you want to. All right, so but I'm not going to put that there. So example, I would like to something else, like which is shock, shocking face, shock face emoji. Okay, so there you go, there's a lot of shock face emoji. I would like transparent. I'm just gonna go the transparency. I would like transparency, but you can, if there's no transparency, you can edit that to us become a transparent, but I'm not going to do that right now. We can make a different video about it, but right now I search a transparency because I don't want to edit that. Now there is, this is all shock face emoji. Okay, so maybe I will choose okay, maybe this one. Okay, oopsie, I'm going back there. I'm just gonna go ahead, click the I will save that, save I mean as. All right, then save, and I'm going back on Pixlr, and then I'm going to download that for the second layer, and it will show up here. Okay, so there you go. So you can drag that everywhere you want. Okay, so you can resize the size whatever you prefer you want to, and then here, and here's the cool thing here. You can, you want that facing to the right side or just the way it is. Okay, so or upside down or is inside, of course you want to show, right? So that's it. And then you can add a text. Okay, add text here. Shows, oh, that's shocking. Oh, I was shocked. Just go, I am shocked. Oh, I'm shocked. Okay, okay, so the size is, you can resize the text right here. Okay, and then you could change the color, whatever color you want. There you go. And also you can add a border. Okay, you want a white border, add the border, and oops, went back to the color. Okay, yes, you can just go back that there. All right, there. Okay, so you can try to get the bigger version, and you can move this around, or you can just play that around. You can tilt it, whatever you want. Okay, so here Now, if that's not big enough to you, just you can always go back and get that bigger, okay? And also there is pants you can choose. You want to be, whatever you prefer, you can have a new one. You can, there's so many choices here. Okay, I would like to use there, I got it. Okay, just find anything you want here. Okay, I'm gonna use this. Oh, I'm shocked. Okay, so it went back to this. Okay, so here you go. The background. Okay, here. Okay, so yeah, you can just move that around. You want that here, right there, yeah, right there. You can just move that around and move this there, or you can just move that, or you can move that here. Alright, then you can tilt it wherever you want, and go back that straight and tilt that one the way you want it. Alright, so here, there you go. I think I like that better there. So yeah, and then you can just be creative. There is a tool that's very easy to use. You don't have to be knowledgeable on the computer. It's just very easy. Go to their website and then create accounts, or if you have a Facebook account, just go ahead and link your Facebook account, and that's it, and you are welcome to use their tools. It's really cool. So like I said, you can download, you can find on Google, search whatever you want. It could be a solid, a spiral, or you can use your own pictures, whatever on your computer already. You can just upload that here and you can use it, and you can just play around and be creative. And then when you're done, when you're happy what you done here, like I said, this one is you can move this around, you can move that around, and you can move this around wherever this you want to be that position. Okay, and also the text as well is the same thing. You can use that, you can move that wherever you want. Okay, so you can make be creative, guys, and I know you can do it, guys. Everybody can do this. You just need to do it. Okay, watch this video in the beginning if you are not if you missed something. So yeah, and also how to save that, just go to the export, and there you go. You will see what's on what the project you done. Okay, it's right here. So what you can do is just download. Okay, download that. Okay, you have to make sure is the file is on PNG. Okay, save that in PNG. This one is just leave that there. Because if you don't, because is the default is VG, it will not be. You cannot save that as a pictures. Okay, you have to make sure is saved in PNG or GVG. So I'm gonna do it at PNG, and I'm going to download that. And here you go. So I'm going to open that, and there you go. Okay, so you can just go ahead, save this as save.
This is making me dizzy.
So save as, and I will save that there, and let's go look for it. And there will be here. Okay, there you go. It's on your computer. Okay, so if you want to use this as on your thumbnail, well, what you can do, just go ahead. Okay, well, I'm going to make another video about how to make a thumbnail on YouTube. Okay, so this is how you make a thumbnail. In the next video, I will show you guys how to download your own thumbnail on video. Alright, guys, that's it for this video, how to make graphics or thumbnails for your YouTube's video. And next video, I will show you how to download this graphics you made and become a thumbnail. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like and share, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.